dreams don't grow on their own. They begin as tiny seeds planted in young hearts. At La Rochelle Girls Primary School, dreams take root in classrooms, in conversations, in patience, and in care. They grow when phones are answered with kindness, when questions are encouraged, and when every child is truly seen. Here, we nurture more than knowledge. We nurture confidence, faith, hope. Because when children are rooted in love and belief, their dreams don't just grow, they flourish. In elke klaskamer, in elke gesprek, word drome met sorg geplant en met liefde gekoester. Hier by La Rochelle plant ons nie net kennis nie, maar ons help drome wortels skiet. La Rochelle Girls Primary School, where dreams take root.